Hey guys, good afternoon. Tony here. I just wanted to update you guys on the very first breakout strategy play that I am doing. I don't know if anybody else is jumping aboard, but the breakout strategy that I taught you guys that I use for option plays. The first right now, currently overall, we are up about 29% or about $300 or so. For the 155 call, we are up 30%. 160 call, we are up 33%. And the 150 call, we are up 27%. Again, the breakout strategy is not something that you use to get to make like a 1,000% off of something, right? You're using this to be consistent. Just because I know that this strategy is relatively pretty consistent as opposed to winning more than you lose, right? And long term, this should be a strategy I think that a lot of people should definitely use. But again, a lot of people like to be impatient and not wait for trades to come to them, as opposed to them trading every single day and losing money, or being indecisive or being impatient and stuff. Again, with the breakout strategy, you really only need maybe 1 or 2 trades a month and you're done. Like this Nike one, for example, right? If I would have, this is just an example, right? I bought 3 calls. My very first, oh no, that's YouTube, whatever, right? Let me see if I have, do I have a Nike? Let me see if I can get the chart up really quick up. I have like pretty bad signal right now, but for the Nike play, currently right now we're looking at 164, 166, and the riskiest one, 169, as the actual take profit. So as of right now, I would not be looking at taking any profit until Nike hits 164. At 164, I will be selling the riskiest calls that I have. So I will be selling the 160 and the 155 call. I will be selling both of those as soon as Nike hits 164, and then I will be selling the 150 call maybe a day or two after it runs for a little bit longer, right? Just because it's the riskiest one, to see if that hits that next TP to the upside. But I want to grab as much profit as possible from the initial take profit that we have, right? The initial target. Again, like I said, if you threw, I don't know, if these are made for big plays throughout the month. These are made for the breakout strategy I created to basically have, consistency, right? So you have to wait for these things to play out, and you only have to do this maybe once or twice a month, and you're making maybe 30-40% gains, whatever, right? Again, from my experience and just from using it, this is the first time I use it live, or like an actual example on my YouTube or my TikTok. So just to kind of show you guys, what it's kind of doing right now. I did see another similar play on ChargePoint, so I took it, right? 39 call for ChargePoint, I'm up 12%. 37 call, I am up 14%, and the 35 call, I am up 14%, right? Overall, 13%. And I'm writing this one, I think, to like $39. I don't remember. But again, this is to be consistent. It's not really a 10x gain overnight, right? You're looking for consistency. This strategy, I can guarantee you, as long as you're consistent and you play it right, it can turn you into a 100,000-aire in a year or two, right? Depending on if you're using this correctly, how much you're risking, and if you only take plays that are absolutely 100% clear. Like the Nike. ChargePoint was a little bit more difficult just because it didn't have those mountain peaks that I like to see. But Nike was a clear breakout to the upside. That candle, that candle to the upside on the week chart was insane. And that's why I took this Nike play. But again, this is so you guys can be consistent and can make consistent money, right? Consistent money. Not looking for 3,000% gains. This is for maybe like 50% gains a month, right? If you throw $1,000 into this, you might come out with $500. If you throw $5,000 at this, you might come out with like 2,500 profit. Guess what? That's house money. That's probably a little bit more than rent money, depending on where you live, right? But again, I will be sticking to the breakout strategy just to show you guys how it is consistent, and I will be recording it just to kind of show you guys, because Nike is a good example, ChargePoint is a good example, Roku was a good example, and I hope that other people can actually start learning the strategy so you guys can put it to play and learn it yourselves, as opposed to just trying to follow my plays and stuff, you know, like just to waiting for me to take a play and then, you know, doing that. You know, this is so everybody can start, you know, making money consistently, and I hope the strategy is helping everybody out. Go to my videos, go watch them, go like them, share them if you want. I don't know, dude, but it's something over experience that I found that works a lot. So I'm definitely happy sharing that. And I will be sharing a lot of other things. A lot of people have been asking me for my reverse MACD, which I don't know if I'm actually gonna share or not. I might share that. I might start like a subscription on my YouTube for like a membership, and everybody that's subscribed there, I'll probably share my indicator with. But as far as, you know, other stuff, I think that, you know, I'll share specific things, right? But I don't know. I'll see what happens. But yeah, I just wanted a quick update on Nike. I think I talked for a little bit longer than I should have, but, you know, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day, and hopefully everybody's using the strategy. See you later.